Hello there, welcome to Deriv Touch and No Touch tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will teach you how you can trade them and stay on the profit side, not on the loss side. So for beginners, if you don't have an account, I have a link in the description. Just scroll below this video, you will see it. Click on it, create an account, and then you land on Traders Hub. Just on Traders Hub, we have Deriv Trader. Deriv Trader there is the one that you need to be clicking on it. So we have Deriv Trader, we have Debot, Smart Trader. Choose Deriv Trader, and this is the place that we land. And on this place, we have these options. Just here is where we have these options. Choose touch and no touch. And then I am on my demo. I don't need to use a real account. If you need to change it, just come to the real and there you change it. So to trade touch and no touch, we have this barrier. We call it a barrier. So we have a barrier, and this barrier is the one that you need to be checking. You can just, if you are using your computer, just hold your mouse, you can move it the way that you want. The more you move it, the more the profit or the less the loss. So it will depend on the side that you like. So let's say that I moved it to somewhere here, and with $1, let me show you something. With $1, if I predict that within 5 ticks this barrier will be this market will cross the barrier, then I will win this USD. So for a fast moving market, within 5 ticks it is very hard for it to cross the barrier, but you can just increase it or even set it to minutes. So you need first to check which market is moving faster and in what direction, because a market might move and then return just back. As you can see, it just moved a lot. So if I need to use it, I can also change. So let's say that I want to change this barrier to come just below this side. I can just use my mouse, scroll it, bring it just below that side. So in this, I can just say if this barrier is touched, then I'll win this amount of money. If I say it cannot be touched, you can see we have very little profit. But what I need to be using is the touch one, because the touch one has a lot of money. I can just move it just in here, there. As you can see, it has changed. I can also just move and then to just load. You can see you can also get a lot of profit on this one, but you need to also change the barrier. If you want it to go up, I can just edit it and use a positive one. It will just move above it. So I can also edit it here, and then after doing that, I can say the no touch within 10 ticks, but that is very hard. It will just touch it. So what I said is the touch one is the one that is good, because you might win it much faster than the other one. You can see this one, you'll have a higher return with less risk. Within these ticks, it is more likely to touch this point. I don't know whether it cannot touch it, but it is more likely. So it is more likely to touch that side as compared to this one. As you have seen, I have made 3 trades and I have already recovered that stake and made some profit. So this is a good strategy if you want to use it. Make sure that you just move it. Check where the market is moving to, move this barrier to the point that you want it, and then check these percentages. You can also move using these numbers. You just enter negative or positive. If you want it to be above this market, you just enter positive. If you want it to be below, just edit it, just enter negative. Just enter negative here. That way you see the barrier will just change the position, or you can just move it using your mouse. So it is easier that way. So I want to move it a bit higher, somewhere here, and then I can just change it to a positive, so it goes up. So this is it for touch and no touch, because touch and no touch have less risk if you trade them wisely. And if you don't have an account, create it right now and start trading. So start with a demo, and then after knowing or creating your own strategy, then you can move to a real account. I also have a videos which show you how you can use strategies or become a good trader. So subscribe and like this video, and if you have a problem, comment just down below. I'll answer it out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.